you can refresh here logs. So all the logs, whatever traffic is going, you can see from here. Okay, and also if you want to open new tab, open the new tab, and here you can write www.google.com and you can download Chrome. Okay, so you can download the Chrome and install the Chrome, so you will have the new latest browser in this machine. So we can use this browser next time also, because this is very old browser, or maybe we need to upgrade this one. So here it is downloading, then in the downloads we can install that one. Here see, this many percentage is download, and you can refresh here, you will see whatever activity we are doing, you will get all the logs here. So what we can say, our lab done successfully, and you can see here logs. Actually you will get log here, but I still did not put the license all, but you can see here what you are getting here. Thread you are getting here, I am going from inside to outside this machine, they are going to this destination IP, and what application we are using, and it is allowed, and which port we are using, how much data we are using, bytes. Okay, and session end, what time they end, what, and here this all you can see. And here you can see more logs. And let's see here in this machine, I will say run, but we need the administrative access, so we can go to the PC here. I can download, we can see in the downloads you will have there, right, where I download just now. Anyhow, just I am saying, or if you have any other browser also, you can use whatever browser, or you can use, just we need to test, okay, maybe browser, let's see what is this, or you can use this Internet Explorer also, no problem. Here type www.google.com, and here which website you want to go, example facebook.com. I need to go to Facebook, so I will click like this. Here Facebook is not available on this browser because I'm using very old machine here, so they are asking to use the Microsoft Edge or Mozilla or the other one to do that one. Okay, so now you will have this log, whatever we done here. You can refresh here, you will have where we go, what IP, whatever we done, you have all the logs here. Okay, so what we can say, we are able to access the internet, and we have the window 11, window 10 also. Later I will connect the other window also, so you can see here it is working. I can click here other languages, you can see here it is working, Google is working. Okay, here they are asking update the browser, but here it is working, everything is working here. See, everything is working, and here logs will update here. Here logs will update, see here. So this lab is successfully completed. If you have any doubts, you can put in the comments, our team is going to reply you. Simple lab, right? What we done, let me summarize before closing this one. First I go in the device, services, click here. Here I put the DNS, then here click, I put the NTP. After that I go to network, I configure this interface. Click here, I give the name where it is connecting, I selected the layer 3. Here in the configuration I selected the virtual router default zone, here out, because this interface is connecting outside. After that IPv4 I assign the IP here /24, you should write that one, else it will give you issue. Then I assign the management profile ping, that's all. Same thing I do for this interface, but this interface is connecting outside, inside. So I taken the zone inside, then assign the IP, whatever IP we are using, and I put the management profile. After doing that one, I created the policy here, inside to outside. I say I give one name, then I give inside is source zone is inside, destination zone is outside, and destination interface is Ethernet 1 by 1. Any services source address, any source address, any destination address. Translated port is dynamic IP port, that is PAT. Inside address interface 1 by 1 because this one is the outside interface and this is the outside IP. That's all. This one is a NAT. Then we need to create the default route. So default route, you will go in the virtual router, click this open and go here static route. We will create here the route. We will say give any name. We will say destination is going anywhere with any subnet mask. Interface will be this one, and IP address will be this. ISP IP will be here, and AD value we can give anything. I keep empty and click OK, and click commit. That's all. After that, assign the IP to the PC from the same subnet here and try to ping, and reply will come, and also you can access the internet. Google.com or any website here. Okay, you can see here we are able to access. That's all. Our internet is working here. So any confusion here, this is a basic lab what we done. And if you want to check the log, you can go here monitoring. You can see here monitor session. Okay, here traffic is going from inside to outside. This is the IP of that machine who is going from inside, and where they are going to this destination. This is the port inside, whatever port they have, and outside they are going to 443, and protocol whatever they are using and which application they are using. Here it is present. Aggressive interface you have here. How much data is used here, this machine you can see here. Okay, I hope it is clear. In case if you face any difficulty, no problem, you can put in the comments in the YouTube video. We are going to support you. This is simple only, not that much tough. This is very simple, and firewall version which I am using, you can see here. This is a version 11 I am using. Okay, so this is a version 11, firewall version 11. So let me end the session. See you in next class. Thank you. Bye.